In a world where efficiency is paramount, DCW Cost Management redefined internal operations with a groundbreaking employee portal. Imagine a consulting firm overcoming the barriers of information silos and poor user interfaces. Rachel Quimby, a visionary at DCW, was determined to streamline communication and operations. Her journey began with a critical realization. The team needed a more effective way to access data. Before the transformation, employees faced difficulties retrieving project details from different sources. The solution? An innovative employee portal built on Softr that brought everything to one central hub. This new portal allows employees to submit reimbursements, check project progress, and access helpful resources effortlessly. Rachel's insight turned a clunky process into a seamless experience, saving precious time and energy. The positive impacts are evident, with time savings and smoother processes gradually unfolding throughout the company. As DCW continues to evolve, their ambitious plans include building a client interface and automations for enhanced functionality.